Good morning, good morning. It's a Monday. Back. I'm on a prop account trying to get funded. Like a little pre-market trade, just looking for a quick scalp here. One contract, nothing crazy. Just looking for the hold on Friday's low on NQ. Expecting it to move up. We got no news today, so nothing crazy, no volatility really expected. For a little pop up there. See if we might not. Market opens minute. Market's open. Let's see if we get it, if it's on tap me out here. Yeah, stop me out real quick. I still like it to hold in that area on NQ. We'll see. I'll try it again. Just looking for a quick move back up to here. Up, I'm gonna move that up. Nice. Just made back that initial little loss there. I did like the hold and bounce from down here, so that's why I re-entered that. Sized up once it looked like we were holding yesterday's low in here, you know. I just took a quick little scalp to the top of that. Nothing crazy. We could very well get a bigger move though. That's something to watch. That looks like it might still keep going up. I could have left a runner there still there. Yeah, it's still climbing. I don't really like where we're at though. Yeah, we're still getting a decent move. Let's wait and see. Be patient. I like that bounce off here. I had the bracket in, so it just kind of took profit when it hit that. I kind of wish I would have left a runner, or maybe I'll adjust my brackets now that I'm trading a bigger account to have runners, because it was, my brackets were essentially made for like 1 or 2 contracts. But now that I have, you know, I might be trading like 4 or 5 contracts, it would make sense to leave a runner, especially here. You know, I entered down here and we're 40 points above, so that was one to leave. And if you look on this higher time frame, we had some pretty big bounces out of here, so I'd expect it to get maybe up to like 80 or so. Be a reasonable expectation, I believe. A 60 point move, that'd be pretty darn nice. How's ES looking over here? ES is kind of in the middle of this chop. I'm really not interested. I'd be interested if it got down here for a bounce or potentially up here for a reject. But yeah. ES is in no man's land. NQ's a bit the same. I like the bounce down here, but that was really it. And you can see, because we had, you know, big bounce here, big bounce here, big bounce here, down in this level. Once we reclaimed that low and held it, I like that. I took a real quick scalp though, real quick scalp. But I like that trick nonetheless. That to me is a solid little move. Capture. Alright, we got, like I said, we got no news, so today might be a little slower. I actually want to look at what's coming out later this week in terms of news. See if there's a little bit more volatility on the way. Let's find out. Tomorrow, consumer confidence, not really. Wednesday, new home sales, not really. Thursday, got a lot of like jobless claims, GDP stuff. Okay. Friday's the big one. That's a ton of news coming out pre-market. Nothing too crazy though. I like this one. Alrighty, we're coming right back down on NQ. If ES is doing the same, if ES, like I said, if ES gets down in here, I like that for a bounce potentially. I like to at least watch for a bounce. Right, looking at this chart, where would we want to bounce? Like in here. I guess like from like 55.20 to like 55.25 or so is a good area. NQ looks like it might be moving back up. Yeah, let's see. There's nothing I love right now, so we're just gonna hang out. I realize a lot of these are current. Stem this stuff out. Get my charts a little bit. Alright, MQ's moving up. ES is not doing great. I think it's like trying to hold down here. Still sitting at support. Yeah, try another long ski. Could get like a hammer or something if you get anything convincing. Three contracts or something. And just hit a little bank script. It's just looking weaker overall. But I don't know, I'm gonna jump into it. I've already taken that bounce, and it was a decent move. I only captured a little bit of it. Yeah. Kind of trying that low a day. Near that pre-market low. Dropping lower. See if it does anything around that pre-market low. Should be a pretty decent area of support in here. That would have been a terrible place. Look at adventure here. I don't know, though. I'm still not loving it. This doesn't look great. Overall, still looking pretty weak. Considering trying it off like pre-market low, give it a little bit of yeah, better stay away. Overall, just looking a little sloppy. Kind of breaking down a little bit. Yes, looking. Yes, still hanging. Still hanging right around low a day, huh? Don't really want to touch it there. If we can't get a quick little pop-up on MQ. One contract, nothing crazy. That was after we formed that hammer on this. See if we can't just get a little pop. Little quick move. I'll move it right there. If we start moving up, I'll move my stop to break even. to the upside. Just give me a little pop to the upside and fill me out. Beautiful. I like the brackets, especially on NQ. You can hit a little 10-15 point swing easy, real quick. I won't say easy, but I mean. This is one where I might hit like 3 contracts or so and actually try to take one a little longer. Yes, trying to hold. Buy. Oh, I didn't mean to do that actually. I wasn't trying to use the bracket. A little bit. Turn that off. I'm going to adjust some stuff. This. Want this. Well, I'm just gonna let that fill. I didn't really mean to do that. I was gonna try to keep a runner. I forgot I had my bracket on. It works. It certainly works. Wasn't really what I was trying to do, but. Yeah, I wanted to let that run, unfortunately. I like the way that was looking. In terms of like a reversal back up into here. See if I can get a little bit bigger of a move there. It's alright, I mean it worked out. Just I forgot I had the bracket on. Yeah, I was gonna try to hold one for a runner, take one profit and hold one for a runner, and maybe see if I can get like a 50-point move or something. We're up almost 200 on the day, pretty solid. One losing trade, pretty much in the pre-market, right off the open. Winner to make that back, winner here, so nothing crazy at all. Like it, love it. What's ES doing? Is ES still floundering around? It's popping off a little bit. Yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna go grab some coffee. I'll be right back. Came back from getting coffee. I'm pretty glad I didn't hold a runner here because it would have got stopped out regardless. So that little scalperoonie worked pretty well. Yeah, today's a little bit messy. I've just been scalping NQ pretty hard, but can't say I love it. Looks like we're creating a whoops. Jeez. Kind of breaking down, huh? We have a little bit of a fair value gap when this closes. Well, we could. We got that break of structure, and heading down. So, see, I wouldn't mind coming back up here and testing this area. I guess we kind of did here, huh? That was a nice area for a put or short. But yeah, keep struggling. Yeah, still kind of hanging on. We're looking at next reasonable places for a bounce, maybe down in around like 850 on NQ. Otherwise, I'm looking at like 803. Yeah, these two are a little bit opposites, right? Yes, it's in a range. I have no interest in trading. Ooh, that tap off. Yeah, that's right around there. Yes, making moves up. These would have pushed from NQ on. Everything's been kind of choppy lately. It's not really my enjoy it. What the hell will bounce off there? Holy. Might try to take a little short here. Stop like up here. Like to stop. It might stop me out before I even get a. I want to take one profit there. It's not stopping me out, isn't it? Yeah, it's stopping me out. Alright. I just want to make sure we're out. Dang, what a move back up. Oh, crazy stuff. I didn't love that last trade I took. That's not a great one. It's probably a better place to look for a short. I don't know. To reclaim this area this a week. We'll hold off. We'll hold off. Probably overtraded already today. What was that one? $36 loss. About 18 point stop. Crazy, this thing's moving fast. I don't like it to the outside now. It kind of broke out of this downtrend. But I don't want to buy it here. It feels like it's chasing. ES is actually getting up into an area I'm interested in for potential reject. We have 5 contract keys. Maybe size in, maybe get like 3 at first. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see if it hits yesterday's or Friday's high. Not gonna jump into this too eagerly. Also, this is just a mess, dude. Ugh. Like to sweep this high, sweep that, and come back down with the X one. If it sweeps that high, and then we would like to enter it on the way back down, maybe. Didn't quite get there. See that reaction, right? Quick little pullback. Oh, don't just drop on me. Let me get a fill. Yeah, here it goes. Sweep. Sweep the liquidity. Yeah. Okay. Okay. If it comes back down. Put a stop 2 points above. We'll take some off on the way down. Take one off around here. Let's see. Here, I want to change 2. Here, 1. here. This is hopeful thinking here. We don't know how to push up to stop me out. I might be a little move. Oh man. That's probably not stopping me out, isn't it? Been strong. Yes, it's been strong today. Might have been foolish to try to short it there. I like that little sweep. Little sweep and back down potentially. Alright, well, never mind. Jeez, it's really taking off now. Jeez, yes. Okay. Can't say I love to it. Yes, it's strong for sure. I think he's still kind of this down channel. Yes, is breaking out of resistance. ES is just absolutely pumping. Keeps breaking out. Yes, it's decent super options. Whatever their value gap is on. Yes. So I'm gonna try to take some down here. Move down all moves to like break even. Actually, I'd like to take this too. Like a line down here, maybe? Buy two here. And then this is one. See if I can't leave a runner. That is a fair value gap, so we'll see if we can't get it. This fair value gap here. If we can't take it down a little bit. Looks a little reluctant. A little reluctant to give us what we want, but I think we might be able to get a little move here. Move this down. That should fill me though. I'll take it. Oh man. Still going, huh? Like it. Still really early in the morning. Not a decent day. I've probably taken too many scalps if we're being honest. I just want to see if ES will have my levels or if I have to do in ES. Oh, no, ES has it. Okay. So I can trade ES instead of the micros. If I wanted to get dangerous. I think he's kind of struggling. Rejected draft that trend line on. That channel it's been in. It's kind of crazy if you look at that. Something like that. A little move that a little bit. It's like scary accurate. Oh, that's a pretty nice rejection off that fair value gap. Dang. Another one right here on NQ that hasn't gotten up there yet. Here's a future. Yeah. Not really loving NQ setup at all. Not really loving ES either. I got a decent little move down. ES doesn't look too strong at the moment. I kind of like a pull back down into here. I'm not gonna trade too long today because I'm already up a decent amount. Trying to get funded. Don't want to blow up my account. Well, the profit target's what, 3,000? Take a little bit of time if I'm hitting 150 a day. Ideally, we're closer to probably like 300 a day. All right.
Then a message would go back to form a fully connected network.
Also hang out for a little bit. Just kind of watch. I could sit on today. It's a decent winning day.
Then a message would go back to form a fully connected network.
I think I have to trade just the like simulated account until I hit the threshold, and then I can start open live account. I'm not sure because I haven't done a. Ooh, I do not want that up there. Yeah, I haven't traded a funded account, so I'm not sure how exactly it all works. But I think I have to trade the demo until I hit the profit, and then it will be live. Is that true? Will not know. Q is dropping out of the sky. ES as well. ES, that would not have been a bad hold on that short. Holy. I was saying I like down here for a bounce though. What's up, dude? How you doing?
Chillin', man. How you doing?
Doing well, thank you. You have a good weekend?
I worked. All I do is work.
Sounds like it, man.
Take any trades today?
Yeah, I've taken just, I don't know, just a bunch of little scalps, really. Nothing too crazy.
Spy? Q?
Both. Yeah, I've taken a couple scalps on both. I actually took a short at the very top of Spy, or ES today. I got like 6 points out of it. Yeah, I got like 6 points, but now it's down like 16. So, yeah, I caught the absolute top though. Now I'm looking at it, wishing I held a little longer. But it was such a strong move up that I was like, yeah, I don't want to fade it. But yeah, crazy. How about yourself? Just trading platinum?
No, I haven't traded anything today.
Gotcha. Dang.
Kind of waiting.
Yeah, it's in a weird area right now. I don't really like the range that it's in. Which is kind of why I've just been scalping it and not really holding positions super long today. Just been kind of all over the place. I'm just getting like my quick profit and getting out, but yeah, I got an Apex account. I got a 50K account.
That's awesome. Have you started yet?
Yeah, today's the first day trading on it. It's just simulation, right? That's all I have access to. Until you hit your goal? Is that right?
Right. Yeah,
Okay.
they're not willing to
Give you a live
money
account.
Nah, they're not willing to do that on people.
Oh. Yeah. They had an 8
that they can actually do it.
for sure. They had an 80% off, so I got a 50K account for like 30 bucks.
Yeah.
And then
It's good, man. It's a good opportunity.
yeah, I mean, worst.
In case you blow it up, you lose $30.
Exactly. I was like, shit, I was losing way more than that on my live account, so.
Exactly. This is at least like an opportunity to, potentially make something.
And it's monthly. I didn't realize it's billed monthly.
Yeah.
I thought it was a one-time thing. That's not bad though. What's up?
You have to. Your goal is to try to pass it in the 30 days.
Oh, so it's only. You're only getting billed while you're trying to pass it? Is that true?
Right.
And then once you pass it, you're not getting billed?
Once you pass it, there's a one-time like fee for like the next 10 years or something, which is like, for me it was like $85.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is all new to me. I'm trying it out for the first time.
Yeah.
I was debating trading. Well, I have a profitable day. I'm sitting on it. I was just thinking, I was like, oh, if I traded minis instead of micros, I'd be up a lot right now. But I'd probably also have like,
Sounds scary.
yeah, emotions. Instead of risking like $60, I'm risking 600. I don't know if I'm ready for that.
Is that what you're risking now?
Oh no, yeah. Well, it just kind of depends on the trade and if I'm trading ES or NQ. But yeah, I was taking like 3 contracts on the NQ, which is more than I usually take on obviously on my live account.
Yeah.
And then my risk is 8 points, so yeah, it's about a little under 60 on the risk there. But that's just for like quick scalps. I actually took a trade and I tried to. I used a bracket and I was trying to adjust the bracket so I could have a runner, and it just like pushed up and hit my profit target before I could. So, not that I can complain, but it would have been a really nice move if I had a runner.
Yeah.
It was one of those where it just like shot up and filled me and then just kept going, and I was like, oh man, it would have been nice to have more contracts. But yeah, I don't know. I might just sit on where I'm at today. I'm up like 156. And I'm just
On the Apex, right?
yeah. It's been mostly just some quick scalps, taking like 5 trades.
Your goal is $3 grand.
Yeah. Yeah, so I
Make it in.
156.
Okay. Because if you think about it, there's more or less 20 trading days
Per month. Yeah.
So 150 times 20.
That's like exactly 3 grand.
That's kind
Yeah.
of what you want to aim for, but
Yeah,
more what you get for that.
for sure. I was gonna say ideally I'm aiming for a bigger, if I want to average say like 150, then I should probably have a bigger winning day, accounting for occasional losses.
That's a good start, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, it's all just off like I said, I took like 5 trades and they're all just quick scalps. I think I had like 3 winners and 2 losses.
Hmm.
It's also just
Trade of 8.
yep, yes sir.
Yeah, so you already know the platform, right?
Yeah, and it was nice actually. When I signed on the Apex account, I didn't have to adjust my setup or anything. It was all like carried over from my live account, which is nice. I didn't expect that too. I thought I was gonna have to reset up all my apps or all my charts and everything.
Just don't get your accounts mixed up.
Oh no, I won't.
You buy like 10 contracts on your live account.
No, I withdrew my money from my live account because I'm not going to be really trading on that right now. So I just withdrew my money and then used that. I mean, it was only $40, so I definitely didn't use all of it, but used that to fund my Apex stuff.
Nice. It was a beautiful platinum setup, but I didn't take it. This was at like midnight yesterday.
God, the hourly chart on these right now is pretty ugly. Just like choppy and long wicks in both sides.
Spy.
Yeah, SPY and Q. Using like a downward channel, which at least gotta trade that.
Nice trend line on the spy. Hour, like 30 days. Kind of breaking it to the downside.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, just kind of sitting around. I don't know if I'll take another trade. Kind of been an all over day today. Q is very volatile. Big moves up and big drops.
Yeah. Big swing.
I can't imagine catching like one of those swings though with a couple minis. Oh my god. It'd be like thousands of dollars. Crazy. Just drops like 50 points in minutes.
Traded that once, never again.
And Q keeps bouncing down here. I wonder if he'll do it again.
Looks like he wants to drop low.
Yeah. Really trust it.
Nice retest.
Jeez. Yeah, it's just dumping. I'm down towards the low day here. I went low day. Jeez, I really should have held that short on ES from the top. Oh my gosh.
Feels weird to not taking a trade yet. Yvonne been?
I don't know, man. He got that water thing, the water foil. He's been MIA.
What?
He got like a water foil. Do you know what that is? It's like it looks kind of like a surfboard, but it has like a blade thing on the bottom, and you kind of like hover above the water. It's like what Mark Zuckerberg rides. If you've seen that meme.
You got one of those?
Yeah. I think he's been doing that.
You snowboard?
Do I?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
You do?
Yep. Do you do anything of
Lord, no. I
do you,
do.
you skateboard?
Yeah.
That's tight.
I still got it, but it's been a while. Just throw myself downstairs, handrails, all that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's dope.
You get older though, and it just hurts a little bit more.
That's what I was gonna say, man. My brother, he was real nice at skateboarding, like high school and stuff. Now he's like, shit, how old is he? 33. He can still throw down, but he's not going off like stair sets or nothing.
Yeah.
It's just mostly like he'll just play around on flat ground.
There you go, yeah.
But it's funny, like he hadn't skated in a while, and he like was playing around. He was like almost landing tray flips. He's like, holy shit, I still got it. The muscle memory.
Yeah.
But no, he's not like hitting rails or anything like that.
Nah. No more. I like this spot. Try it. Try a little something.
Dang, and you. If it drops like, I guess it's like 40 points from here, but there's a pretty nice area for a bounce potentially down there. I'll be right back. Yeah.
I'm up 320, new contracts. Haven't sold anything yet.
Wow.
Up 380, 400.
Nice. Is
Short
this
ones.
you got that account funded, right?
Yeah,
Nice.
it's all live now.
Beautiful.
I've been reviewing like a lot of my trades, and I haven't really been letting my winners run. I'm trying. It's not easy.
It's not. So I'm excited to have a bigger account because now I can at least like take some profit and leave with one runner or something and not really worry about it. Instead of trading with like,
Run and
oh, go on, my bad.
let that winner run and just kind of see that you can afford to, hold it longer, grow your confidence a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh,
Jeez, I debated getting some going long off that bottom on in Q. Holy cow.
and then it bounced. Oh wow.
It formed like a hammer at the bottom, and I debated getting in after that. Now it's up like 60 points. Crazy.
What time frame?
Sorry, my music is blaring in my ears. What did you say?
What time frame?
Uh,
2 minutes?
it's the 5,000 tick, so it's a tick chart. It's not a time chart, unfortunately.
Oh. Dang, nice push.
That's pretty wild. Wonder if it'll start to run out of steam here, though. It's hitting some resistance at previous lows. After like a 60-point move up, nope, just keeps pushing. Dude's crazy. Although they're both kind of hitting resistance right now.
I see it coming up to test the. Use the VWAP. Do you use the VWAP or no?
I don't use any indicators.
It looks like it's about to test that area. Lately, I've been moving my stop like on a 5 minute, like a 5 minute candle trailing stop.
Mm-hmm.
Been working pretty good.
Nice.
Be a little more patient. Doesn't always work, but I'd say it works most of the time pretty well.
I'm gonna try enter short here on here. I can get a little pop.
Yeah, touch the VWAP there.
Try to trim some. Let it run a little bit.
Rating on what is essentially a sim right now. Are your emotions the same? Less stress, or what do you think?
I mean, I feel like they're the same. I'm pretty much trading exactly how I was. I feel like I'm just trading with a little bit more size, which is like
A little weird.
a little weird. You know, I'm obviously like trying to not think about it too much
Think about it, yeah.
and like psych myself out, but like right here, it came so close to hitting my take profit. Now it's kind of bouncing. I'm trying not to freak out. I had like a 20, and I'm like not freak out, but you know what I mean.
Yeah, yeah. Oh my god, it's reversing the take profit.
Yeah, exactly. I'm just trying to let it do its thing, but
Alright. This turned out to be a freaking awesome trade.
nice, dude. I'm happy to hear that. Yes, now it's starting to bounce a little bit.
This is a 150k account, so I can.
Damn, what was your like take profit or like your profit goal on that?
9 grand.
Wow, 9 grand and you hit that. That's crazy in a month.
Yeah, a little less. Yeah, a month. 20 trading days or something.
This might stop me out if it pushes up any further. Probably should have taken some profit when we got that dip down. I was up almost 20 points, and it's not stopped me out, of course. Maybe not.
God. Yeah, I gotta take one at least. I'd be dumb not to.
Oh my gosh, it just touched my stop loss and didn't stop me out. There it is. Damn. Yeah, so that was a loss. I almost want to re-enter though. Yeah, it came so close to hitting my take profit and then just bounced right back up and hit my stop loss. That's what I was saying. I was trying not to freak out, and then it literally just did what I was trying not to do. I mean, I should have just.
Yeah, it kind of looks weird now.
Yeah.
Looks like once it goes back out. That should have been. It looks like it should have been a down trend.
Yeah, it just.
Continuation, but it just didn't.
It just came like a few points off of my target, unfortunately.
Got a hammer candle on the 5-minute now.
Darn, that was. Maybe I should have taken a couple contracts off when it was in profit, left the runner or something. I'm still trying to figure it out, I feel like.
I was kind of struggling here. Or not.
I think that'll be it for me. I don't want to give back too much profit.
Yeah.
But yeah, I like that setup. I just it just came like 3 points off my take profit. Now it's coming right back down. I don't know. I feel like when I short it is when it bounces, and the times I don't are when it drops like 60 points in 5 minutes. I don't get it. Like I'm just waiting for some follow through and it doesn't give it to me. A little double projection
I
there.
don't know, man.
Yeah, I mean,
feel
no.
like that's kind of why I stopped trading these. So many fake outs, and I don't know.
Yeah, it's hard.
Yeah, it's not easy. It's a tough instrument.
Yes, dude. Yes, it's pretty ugly.
Honestly, though, what's gonna keep you in the game is the fact that you're willing to take that loss. Like it doesn't bother. It doesn't seem like it bothers you. Well, it
No.
bothers everyone, but
Yeah, I was gonna say
you're not gonna let this small loss turn into a massive loss.
no.
That's
Yeah.
just your personality, which is admirable.
I mean, shit. I've let that affect me plenty of times before. I'm far from perfect.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, the fact that I was up on the day and all I did was just risk a little bit of profits. If it would have hit, it would have been a much bigger win than it was a loss. So that's worth it. And it almost worked out, like I said, just a few points off hitting my take profit. So it is what it is.
You're talking about walking away with some green, which is great.
Yeah, yeah, it's about.
Walk away and attack tomorrow.
Yes, sir. All right, my friend. Well, good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow, most likely, huh?
All right, brother. Yep.
All right, take it easy.
Peace.
All right, guys, I'm out. I had a pretty decent day. I gave some of it back with it. I tried to short here. It almost hit. It was like a few points off my take profit, which is kind of like the bottom of the swing low, and then bounced out and stopped me out. And now it's probably going to go do what I want, that amount. But that's just the way trading goes sometimes. A lot of little scalps. Nothing crazy. We have a little over $100 profit. Yeah, I'm trying to. Obviously, my goal would probably be like $200 or so. So we're below that, but I'm gonna walk away with Green Day. And things have been kind of choppy. So